This is a review of the SimplyShred POD-2. It's a 6-sheet crosscut paper shredder designed for desktop, shelves, or tabletops. Inside the box, you'll find a brief instruction manual. You'll find the shredder itself and the power cord that plugs into the side. The power cord is 60 inches long or 5 feet. I want to point out that this is designed with a handle on the top and it is portable. So if you want to carry it from office to office to use it, or in different rooms of your home, you can do that. On the front here is a control switch. You can flip the switch down and it's in forward, auto, off, and reverse to clear a jam. So it is like I said, it's multifunction. Normally it's designed to be left in auto unless you have children. Here it shows an LED that shows you have power to it. There's an LED that will light up if you're using it too much and it overheats. And then also here on the bottom here is another LED that tells you when the bin is full of paper. On the side here you'll see some cautions. It's common sense. It's only rated to do 6 sheets of paper. Don't shred paper clips or metal. Don't stick your hands inside. Don't spray aerosols or chemicals or explosive vapors into the machine. You also don't want to stick your tie in there, get your hair caught in it, or let children play around it. On the back here you'll see a button. You'll press the button in and push it down and open it up. And this opens up the container that holds the paper. And you'll look inside of this. There's quite a bit of space in there. And there's also a monitoring mechanism to tell you when the bin is getting full. The bin itself is quite large. I have big hands. It actually holds about 1.3 gallons of paper. This is a crosscut machine, so it cuts the paper in very small pieces. It does it to what's called security level 3. The pieces of paper are 1.18 inches by 0.16 inches, so they're very small. Here you can see the side port for the plug that plugs in there. It goes in like so. This shredder operates on 120 volts, 60 hertz, and it will draw 1.8 amps. This is designed to sit on a desk, a shelf, or a top of a table. I'm going to flip it into the auto mode, and you can see the power light come on. I've got 6 sheets of paper here. And you can see it took it right in there. I just want to show what this looks like in the bottom. This is the way it's going to cut your documents up. So it's a lot safer than just cutting them in strips. So you can see it is a crosscut shredding machine. We use some pretty thick copy paper. So I wanted to try 3 sheets and give you that impression. And now I'm going to put a credit card in it. Here you can see I'm going to open up over a trash can. You just let the little bottom fall down, snap it back in place, and I've dumped out the shredded paper. It's that easy. The shredder itself is about 5.5 inches thick by 11.5 inches deep and about 13.5 inches tall. This SimplyShred shredder is simply easy to use. I like the fact that it's all self-contained. We had a smaller shredder in one of our offices at home, and it sat on a trash can. And I think it generated a lot of dust because it's grinding up paper. And it was not a crosscut. We got a crosscut shredder about a year and a half ago, and that's all we use now. And I'm glad that this one is a crosscut shredder. That really adds to the security. If you're shredding documents from banks or things like that, and you don't want people to get in there and kind of re-put them back together to get numbers and all, it's the only way to go. I like this shredder a lot. It's lightweight, easily moved around, nice handle, easy to operate, very simple controls and LEDs that stand out, and it did a good job of shredding paper. I'm going to give it 5 stars. This review was done by JJ CEO. I'd like to tell you that this product comes with a 1-year warranty. I got one for a review as a sample. I didn't promise a review, but I promised if I gave one it would be fair and honest.